Hello everyone, welcome to Sentence Diagramming 101. This video is about Chapter 3, Part B, which is the subject, transitive verb, direct object, or as I like to call them, STVDOs, right? STVDO. So before this, you've seen the video about STVDs, right? Subject, intransitive verbs. So remember, intransitive verbs stop. They don't go across the sentence, trans meaning across. So here we have a transitive verb. So if it's going to move forward in the sentence, what is it going to move forward to? The direct object. It is the thing directly being affected by the verb. That's what the direct object is. So let's look at the sentence. We have Danny Ocean, that's our subject, robs, that's our verb, and then what is it that he is robbing? He's robbing a casino. This is Ocean's 11 in case you're wondering. So casino is the direct object here. So we have a subject, transitive verb, direct object. We have a STVDO. This is the most popular sentence type. We love these in English, so you'll find these all over the place. If we keep going, we're like, the Ocean's trilogy includes 3 movies. So we're like, trilogy, what is the trilogy doing? It's including, what is it including? Movies. So trilogy subject includes transitive verb, movies, direct object. And then we have one more right later. The Ocean's trilogy added a spin-off about Danny's sister. Now this one's a little more involved because we have some modifiers here. So we have later, an adverb telling us when. We have the and oceans are adjectives describing the trilogy, which trilogy, the trilogy, Ocean's trilogy. And then added is our verb, transitive verb. They added what? They added a spin-off. So spin-off is the direct object. And then which spin-off? The one about Danny's sister. So about Danny's sister here is a prepositional phrase acting as an adjective because it's telling me which spin-off. Now, when you are diagramming STVDOs, you follow the same basic where you draw a horizontal line and you draw a vertical line that goes all the way through. So this is your subject spot right here. This is where you're going to put your verb. But then for the direct object, you're going to draw a vertical line that stops at the horizontal. So it's a little perpendicular sign almost. So your subject verb line here goes through to make kind of a plus sign, a graph. Whereas the direct object line stops, dividing the verb from the direct object spot. So let's look at what this looks like. So if we go back, we have Danny Ocean robs a casino. So Danny Ocean is my subject, robs is my verb, and then casino is the direct object. So it goes on the right of that direct object line. And then A is an adjective, so we just hang it off the bottom there. If we keep going, the Ocean's trilogy includes 3 movies. And remember, this is the format the book will use where your sentence patterns, your word functions are going to be on the bottom and modifiers will be on top. So we've got trilogy includes movies, and then the, oceans, and 3 are all adjectives. If we keep going, we've got, the Ocean's trilogy added a spin-off about Danny's sister. So we can see that its trilogy added spin-off about his sister. Later, the and oceans are all going to be modifiers here. But what we've done in the book here is we've given you the diagram. So if you want to pause this video, take a minute and figure out where the words would go. I'll wait. All right, and we're back. So let's see how you did. Is this what you have? You have trilogy added spin-off, the trilogy, the Ocean's trilogy, adjective modifiers. Later is an adverb telling me when, so it goes under the verb. And then it's a spin-off, and it's a spin-off about Danny's sister. So, got that right? Yay, you're good. You got STVDOs down. Now, just like everything else, you can have compounds. So you have to draw some rocket ships. So you're like, the movie, it both excited and thrilled. So we have 2 verbs, compound verb, excited and thrilled. And then you just throw your direct object on the end here because you only have one. So viewers. So it looks like that. And then you could have a compound object, perhaps, grammar delighted. I know it does. Both the teacher and her students, because everybody loves grammar. But you can put your rocket ship at the end here. So you've just got a double or a compound direct object. And then you can practice your STVDOs. You've got some sentences, so work your way through, identify what the words are doing, and then practice diagramming them. And then you can check your answers in the answer key, or you can watch the video about exercise 3B. And that has been STVDOs.